Good day everyone! Here's another video at ang i-feature natin ngayon ay mga foreclosed properties na mura na, nasa exclusive subdivision ka pa. Una na nga dito sa ating listahan ay itong lote na may sukat na 165 square meters. At kung mapapansin mo, malapit lang ito sa clubhouse. Pangalawa sa ating listahan ay itong 205 square meters house and lot. Paalala lang, this is a foreclosed properties and we are selling it as is and where is. One of the advantages that you will get when acquiring a foreclosed properties is that it is offered below market value. You just have to pay 20% down payment and the remaining 80% balance is payable up to 5 years. Last in our list ay itong lote rin na mayroong sukat na 158 square meters. By the way, Metrogate Silang Estate is a ecopolis, meaning it is a self-sustaining, eco-friendly, and blessed with cool Tagaytay-like climate. Here's the overview of all the properties that we offer. As you can see, these properties are just walk away from the clubhouse. That sounds you will enjoy all the amenities that this subdivision has. Plus, 5 minutes away from the main gate, and if you didn't know, FEU Cavite is located inside this subdivision. Now, let's talk about the vicinity. From the main gate, malapit lang ito sa Vista Mall at sa bagong munisipyo ng Silang. At 3 minutes naman sa bagong bukas na Cavite-Laguna Expressway. And these are the expressway entrance and exit if you will take the Silang Aguinaldo Highway interchange. This Cavite-Laguna Expressway is connected to South Luzon Expressway going to Manila and other nearby provinces. Kaya naman kung interesado kang malaman ang iba pang detalye, contact us. This is My Saving Grace Realty and Development Corporation saying, you choose, we provide.